To create an FDA-compliant nutrition label with ReciPal, all you need to know is your recipe. Just get started by searching our database of ingredients, find the one that you're looking for, and add it to your recipe. From there, enter the units that you want and the amount that you're going to be using. We can add a couple of other ingredients like flour, and let's search for some butter, and this will complete a simple sugar cookie recipe. Now you can set your serving size and the number of servings per package, and you have everything you need for your nutrition label. And here's the great part. ReciPal automatically creates you the nutrition label and ingredient list with all the options you need to customize it for whatever you want to do. Once you're happy with it, you can easily download it as a PDF, a PNG, or even get code to embed it.
And if you're ready to print your labels, you can use our exclusive partnership with Avery. Get started for free at ReciPal.com.